Are you feeling extra? Get out the glitter and turn up the volume because Eurovision 2019 is here. Take a look at our top Eurovision themed items from Envato Elements. Number 1. Dance Club Party Promo is the perfect over-the-top opener for a Eurovision themed video. So much sparkle. Complete with disco balls, this super camp After Effects template is loud, loaded, and larger than life. Number 2 is Euro Dance Party Time. Eurovision has long been associated with electronic music, and this EDM track gives us exactly that. Bringing intensity and all the Eurovision vibes, add this to your Eurovision-inspired video or download it to add it to your Watch Party playlist. Invite all your friends to watch the International Song Contest with number 3, Electro Disco Music Flyer. Slick and geometric, this Photoshop template offers clean, electro-charged design, the perfect way to advertise a Eurovision party. These mock-ups were created using Placeit. Find the details in the description below. Our next item, Electro Motions, is a high-energy audio track that will get you on your feet. With a subcard that draws on trance music, this electronic track pairs well with the highly visual nature of the iconic and often bizarre Eurovision optics. Our final item takes cues from the high-tech LED screens traditionally used as a backdrop in the International Song Competition. With motion graphics in cool blues and purples, Core Cube is a stock video background that will wow a crowd. Or just make them dizzy. Either way, it's so Eurovision. All the items featured in this video are available on Envato Elements, where you can get unlimited access to thousands of items with just one subscription. You'll find links to each item in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool ideas, inspiration, and all the answers to help you create better stuff. Just hit the Envato logo on the screen now. And if you found this video helpful, smash the like button and leave us a comment. You can also click the link on the screen to start downloading digital assets and templates now. See you next time.